Hello everyone. Hi, I'm Huda Siraj Shire. I'm an HR from Nextcore Alliance Mumbai. So, today we are having Tamanna over here, but here is a short poem from Nextcore Alliance where curious minds ignite the flame. Nextcore Alliance calls the name. Learning fuels the vision bright, building future strong and light. Together we rise, together we grow. Through knowledge shared, new pathway shows. Education's heart, Alliance too. Nextcore shapes tomorrow starting with you. Hi Tamanna.
Hello.
So Tamanna, here's a genuine question about yourself. So what motivates you to join Nextcore and what was your confidence level at the start, at the beginning of the point?
Honestly speaking, there was nothing I feel about motivated to join Nextcore as from the very start I was interested into medical field from the very beginning. So coming into a tech field, it was a whole new thing for me. So there was, I would say, destiny or a last plan, whatever it is. That right now, I'm here at Nextcore Alliance. And about my confidence, I would say at the start, my confidence was pretty average compared to right now. If I compare this, because I had interest, I was excited to learn new things, but there was some questions that will I do it better, what will happen in future, and whatever. Many things make me nervous, but right now nothing matters.
Yeah, but at first, I guess you were so confused, right? But now, Alhamdulillah, you have chosen a path for Nextcore Alliance. So, are you enjoying it?
Yes.
So, we are heading up for the next question, Tamanna. Was there a moment when you realized you could succeed in this field?
Yes, there was. And I would not say it was some kind of big achievement or something. Small moments create a big achievements in future. Many small projects gave me confidence that yes, I can do this. Baby steps will make me take me towards my confidence level and my achievement in future. There was many things that is, while let it be creating a small form or a bot or any kind of clone website, it boosts my confidence level on next.
Okay. So, how did your learning style change after joining this institute?
I would say from the first to 12, since we are started to learn, we are more based on theoretical rather than practical. It's kind of principle or whatever it is. हम लोग ज़्यादातर इसमें एक होता है कि हमारे को सीख के लिख के पढ़ना है. हम लोग राइट डाउन नहीं करेंगे, हमारे को आएगा नहीं. इसमें हमारे को ज़्यादा हो जाता है. But after coming here, I realized that practical things are important. You will learn to apply things on real projects and many things. If you don't apply these things on real world, you will not have any kind of experience when you will step into the industry after your graduation.
What classroom learning changed your perspective the most?
If I start to practicing on the spot, sir explained, and then I start practicing on the spot. If I'm doing wrong anything, if I'm confused about any step, I can directly ask on the spot about the thing that how will this work. I will understand how things are working rather than just memorizing it.
Okay. At NIT Connects, mentorship and real world exposure are emphasized. How has your mentor supported your journey?
I would say I was blessed because every staff is so friendly and so approachable. I can directly go to them, ask about any kind of query I have, and let it be on any topic. If I'm having even personal issues, I can talk to them. They are that much friendly. So you will not feel any kind of nervousness or hesitation while approaching any staff, any teacher. You can directly go to them. They will guide you at their best.
That shows that your journey is very interesting.
Yes,
right?
Yes, you're right.
Okay. So, what kind of support from trainers made the biggest impact in your journey up till now?
Yes, there was many times that I was doing that thing not on right way. I was doing something wrong, or I was very much of confused on that side. I will just go and they will explain me, not on just theoretical or practical based. They will explain how things work on real world, how things are going to work in industry world. Where to you have to where to stop, where to see your mistakes and many things. How you need to focus on that thing more. They will explain you about it. Yes, so that helps me a lot.
But Tamanna, why you would recommend others to join Nextcore Institute of Technology?
Because I will not say about others. I will say about myself, because I know since I came here, there was huge difference in my personality also. Let it be on communication skill, on technical skill, and many things. As we have our committees here, I was also a vice president in committee.
Oh,
cultural
wonderful.
committee. Yes. So that thing excites you, and I would say, yeah, it's not on whole college based, but this is the thing you should learn. You should know how to make it, how industry works. You should know about it. If you know कि real projects पे हम लोग कैसे काम करते हैं और किसी भी चीज़ में हम लोग कैसे वर्क करने वाले हैं, कहाँ पे हम लोग अपनी मिस्टेक्स देख सकते हैं और प्रैक्टिकली उसे ऑन द स्पॉट हम लोग करेंगे टीचर्स के गाइडेंस में, तो वो चीज़ें ज़्यादा बेटर है कॉलेज के थ्योरेटिकल फेज से। बिकॉज उधर थ्योरी में तो हम कर लेंगे मेमोराइज, मोस्टली सारे बच्चों का है एक रात पहले पढ़ना, यूट्यूब, चैट जीपीटी, क्लॉड सब यूज़ करके, बट वो हमारे को फ्यूचर में काम नहीं आने वाले। फ्यूचर में हमारी रियल स्किल्स ही काम आने वाली है, प्रैक्टिकल स्किल्स। तो आई वुड ह्यूजली रेकमेंड कि यहाँ पे एटलीस्ट हम लोग आएंगे तो हमारे को रियल वर्ल्ड कैसे काम करता है वो सब कुछ हमारे को पता चलेगा। और बाकी चीज़ें जैसे प्रैक्टिकल हो रही है, ऐसे नहीं एकदम थ्योरी नहीं है, थ्योरी बेस्ड भी है। जहाँ पे थ्योरी बेस्ड हमारे को होना है वहाँ पे वो चीज़ें हैं, ताकि बच्चे सब चीज़ें माइंड में नहीं रख सकते तो एटलीस्ट नोटबुक से वो लोग कंटिन्यू लर्न कर सकें। बट प्रैक्टिकली ऑन द स्पॉट हम चीज़ें क्रिएट करें तो बच्चों का लेवल भी बूस्ट होता है कि हाँ हम लोग ये क्रिएट कर सकते हैं। बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे, तो आई वुड सजेस्ट कि यहाँ पे वो चीज़ें अवेलेबल है जो एक्चुअल में हमारे को फ्यूचर में वो हेल्प करने वाली है।
Okay, so Tamanna, as you have said it, what will you give one word for Nextcore Institute of Technology? What will you?
I hope that one word can explain Nextcore Alliance, but it cannot. There was many things. Let it be on excitement level, on practical base, on many things. So I don't think so one word can explain Nextcore Alliance.
Oh my God. What kind of support from trainers made the biggest impact in your life?
There was many time I feel confused or I was doing that thing on wrong way. It can be better on that time. I asked my trainers, let it be or Ayan sir, that sir, and any sir, we will just ask about it. They will explain, not just theoretically they will explain you that you will understand the concept about that. You will not forget in future and it will help you in many projects also. Yes.
Okay. What project taught you the most about real world problem solving, Tamanna?
The project, I would say, we had done a real project. It was a client project in our Nextcore, and Ayan gave us a task about it to show us about our UI UX skills, and me and all my friends and the students, we all make the project UI UX में हम लोग ने एक क्लाइंट का वेबसाइट बनाया था अपने डिज़ाइन से। करने का था अपनी क्रिएटिविटी के हिसाब से, आपको कुछ जहाँ सा बेटर लग रहा है आप वैसे कीजिए। और ऐसे नहीं कि सर ने पूरा हमारे पे थोपा, नहीं, उन्होंने आके हमारे को बताया है कि यहाँ पे चीज़ें बेटर हो सकती है। यू कैन आस्क दिस, यू कैन टेक दिस आइडिया फ्रॉम अदर वेबसाइट्स ऑल्सो। और हम लोगों ने ऐसे करके एक रियल प्रोजेक्ट बनाया था जिससे हमारे अवाब सर को भी बहुत खुशी हुई थी कि एटलीस्ट बच्चे UI UX में बहुत अच्छे तरीके से वर्क कर रहे हैं। और ये सबके पीछे 2 सर ही थे जिन्होंने सबसे ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड रखा है, आंसर एंड गुडबुदी सर। यस।
Okay. What technical skills do you know that you have never imagined before in your future, and what are the inputs you will give it into it?
Yeah, As I said earlier, I was never into a tech field. I was into a medical field from the very start. And till April 2025, I was into medical. I had not imagined about me getting into a tech field or anything. But on my decision and my parents' support, right now I am into a tech field because it gave me that kind of interest which I did not have it while learning medical.
Okay.
So right now these kind of skills, I would say programming language and my UI UX design skills, these skills now boost me right now. So while I was making a website clone, it was a task from us. So we have to make a clone from HTML and Tailwind only. We have made the clone very beautifully. Everyone created these clones, and in UI UX we created clone apps. My project was Blinkit. I also make a whole website of phone view Blinkit.
Wow.
Yes, and these things just shocks me that I can do it. Yes, right now I'm doing this, and in future, inshallah, I will also upgrade in my skills and all.
Okay. It shows that the Alliance, the institute, is showing so much boost on you, right?
Yeah.
So Tamanna, in what ways do you see NIT empowering you to make your parents proud and contribute to their well-being?
Well, I would say that I'm more disciplined right now because from
Of the
starting,
climate, of the environment?
yes, because I know that when you need to have that kind of discipline while being with someone elder than you, experienced than you, how you need to approach. So I think my nature has kind of improvement, and for my parents, I would think that in future, inshallah, I will.
Inshallah.
If I do my business, I will start a business, or I will do a great job, then I will make my parents proud as much as I wanted. They will be proud of me. Yes, sure, inshallah.
You will be.
Yes.
Okay. So Tamanna, with that, it is a wonderful meeting you, and it is a wonderful podcast you have gave to us. And thank you very much for
Same.
conclusion with
It was
us.
also
And
meeting
thank you
you.
very much.
Thank you.